What is quantitative research? Definition 1 of quantitative research deals with number and statistics. Definition 2 of quantitative research is used to generate numerical data and facts by employing statistical, logical, and mathematical technique. Quantitative research focuses on testing theories and hypotheses. Type of questions in quantitative research is closed, multiple choice questions. Quantitative research engaged in testing, measurement, objectivity, and replicability. In quantitative research, quantitative data is used which is more structured than qualitative data. Data collection methods of quantitative research includes many forms of surveys: online surveys, paper surveys, mobile surveys and kiosk survey, face-to-face interviews, telephone interviews, online polls, observations and questionnaires. The nature of quantitative research is particularistic. The approach of quantitative research is objective. Research type of quantitative research is conclusive. The reasoning of quantitative research is deductive. Hypotheses are tested in quantitative research. Data in quantitative research is measurable. Inquiry in quantitative research is result-oriented. Sampling technique in quantitative research is random. The objective of quantitative research is to examine cause and effect relationship between variables. Results of quantitative research recommends final course of action. Elements of analysis of quantitative research is numerical data. Sample size of quantitative research in which frequency fewer than 100 responses. In example 1, the impact of liquidity on profitability of some selected companies. The financial statement analysis, FSA approach written by Edu 2014 used quantitative research in his study while. In example 2, the effect of risk, R&D intensity, liquidity, and inventory on firm performance during COVID-19. Evidence from U.S. manufacturing industry written by Clampett al. 2021 used quantitative research in their study. In example 3, the effect of dividend policy, liquidity, profitability and firm size on firm value in financial service sector industries listed in Indonesia Stock Exchange 2015 to 2018. Period written by Sondak 2019, used quantitative research in his study. In example 4, corporate governance. A comparative study of the corporate governance codes of a developing economy with developed economies written by Adewale, 2013. The author used both research methods such as quantitative research and qualitative research in his study. In example 5, effects of COVID-19 on college students' mental health in the United States. Interview survey study effects of COVID-19 on college students' mental health in the United States. Interview survey study written by Sun et al. 2020. The authors used both research methods such as quantitative research and qualitative research in their study. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.